Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, what I like to do is to create videos that explain things that I wish I would have known before I started getting into precious metals and jewelry. In today's video, I have been cleaning, and that means that I've been discovering things that I have just set places and forgot about, I guess is the best way to put it. But there are some things that I didn't exactly forget about. I knew I had them, I just didn't know where they were. And there are some things that I just really liked. So I don't know if you're the kind of person, or if you're like me and you hide things from yourself just to make sure that they're safe. But that's what's happened here. And when I have the case where I was tinkering around, I think this actually goes to a like a badge, like a policeman's badge. But I was playing around at one point, and I decided to throw some gold in it, pieces of gold that I liked, just to see what would fit in there. And these are some of my favorite little pieces of gold for a variety of reasons. These are all 10 karat. And we have Eastern Star. You can see where they have the gavel, which indicates that was somebody in charge. If anyone knows about the Eastern Star structure, you can tell me. But I find when I'm, tell me more exactly what that means, but I find personally that when I'm looking for these old gold pins, that anything with a gavel on it, I take a second look at, because it means it was somebody in charge, and it was somebody who was important enough, or self-important enough, dare I say, to actually have their pins made out of gold. I'm not sure what some of these actually denote, like the obviously the shepherd's crook and the cross and the Eastern Star. I like this little guy right here. I'll pick it up because it's a ship with 31, which I presume means 1931 on it. We've got some rubies. Oh, are those rubies? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do one of my favorite things here. Where did I put it? There's where I put it. Let's turn off a light, and they're gonna glow for me. Maybe they're garnets. Okay, we gotta turn off this other light. How do I do that? There we go. All right. Now, oh, they do not glow. That would make them garnets, but you can see those pearls. Boy, do those pearls show up over here too. I forgot pearls and black light. I need to make a pearl video. Oh, this is also showing me that I'm missing a couple pearls out of that. Look at that. All right, I'll turn these lights back on if I can manage it. There we go. On. Haha. So anyways, we do not in fact have rubies in this piece. We have probably garnets, maybe glass even. I don't know. We'll have to look closer at that. But if they're rubies, they would glow like nobody's business. So this was me attempting to put together some of the things that I liked. One of the things I really love about these old pins is, learning about what's going on here. Like, this is a Scottie Club pin made out of 10 karat gold. Somebody really cared about their Scotties to have their club pins made out of solid gold. And this is not, it's not an insubstantial pin. If I pull it off here, I'll show you. They were not messing around when they made this. I'm not sure who AK was, but clearly they had a very nice pin made for themselves. And then we have down here, this one's kind of cool because it's, oops, I should be looking through the camera. There we go. 1898, giving you a little, some little seed pearls and a 10 karat pin from back then. And then this one I thought was really cool when I figured it out, because Oratory, and it took me a while to figure out that symbol, but this guy is not actually marked as 10 karat, but it does come up as 10 karat. And it is definitely 10 karat. We've verified that. But the initials there are the CWTU, which is the Christian Women's Temperance Union, I believe. And this was a prize for Oratory, giving a good speech, which I thought was kind of cool when you look it up, that that kind of thing is still around. And you know, like this particular one, I just found in a pin bin at a thrift shop. I think a couple of these came from garage sales. Some of them came from eBay, but they're just a lot of fun to look up. The other one that I came up with for this little video, hopefully entertaining little video, is in this little case. And I've seen a lot of these fraternity, sorority, Greek pins, but this is the only time I've ever seen the little leather case for it, which I thought was wonderful. If I open it up here, there we go. We have our little pin. I believe she was a Zeta, if I remember correctly. Let's see if I can pull it out here, and we'll look at the back of this. Well, we'll do a couple things. We'll look at it better. There you go. Pardon me, I have been definitely doing a lot of cleaning, and my hands are not coming super clean. But yeah, nice little 14 karat gold pin in this case. But the thing that I really liked about this one, if I remember correctly, you know, it's been a while since I opened it up, was, oh yes, that's right. Now I recall. There we go. Right there. Evelyn Swanson. That was the name of the lady who had this pin. And when I looked it up, she was from Sydney, Montana. And I found her whole history and everything. I don't know how this pin honestly came to me over here. I'm on a different part of the state, but it migrated over here, and it just ended up in a thrift shop. Ended up paying $5 for it, and I find this to be a real little treasure. Not just because it's gold, because that definitely makes it a treasure, but also because being able to have the name of the lady who earned this and wore this, and getting some history on her, it's just fun, and it's a fun little thing to do when you have a couple minutes, when the kids have beaten me down a little bit and I just need to try to decompress. I'll pull out something like this and look up the person and do a little bit of learning. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please allow me to chant the magic YouTube words at you. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I hope you're having a great day.